Hi, in this video, I'm going to show how to use Kewdoo merchant apps to manage your shop's queue. The one at the left is the Kewdoo user apps interface, which will be used by your customers to join the queue. The one at the right is a Kewdoo merchant apps interface, which will be used by you to manage the queue. You can use the merchant apps to call your customer, skip the queue number, and dine in to allow your customer to enter your shop. I will show you now how Kewdoo merchant apps can effectively manage your shop's queue. First, let's look at the left interface. Your customer will log into the Kewdoo user app, find a restaurant, select the table size, and confirm the number of packs. Then key in the customer's information. Kewdoo added this feature based on the SOP required during a period of MCO, which allows the customers to fill in their name, IC, and contact number. After the submission, you will instantly get a notification. A3 indicates this customer's queue number. Click the box, and you will get the queue info. By clicking the call button, your customer will be notified in the app. If your customers have reached your shop, you can click Dine In to complete the queue. Fill in your customer's body temperature and confirm the submission. All the customer's information will be updated to Kewdoo's database. The whole procedure can be completed through Kewdoo apps in a few clicks. What if the customer is late or absent when it's their turn? Let me show you another situation when there are two customers in the queue. Everyone in the queue would need to fill in their personal information, which includes their names, IC numbers, and contact numbers. The IC number is optional to be filled in. This function can be switched off after the MCO, and all the info can be checked in the merchant apps or downloaded to your devices. After the first customer is done with the information, continue with the second customer information. After both customers are done with the information, you will receive a notification in your apps. The queue number is A4. Click to check your customer's information and try to call. After the first calling, if the customers are not here, then try second calling. After the second calling, if the customers are still yet to be here, you can call for the third time. If the customers are still not here, then you can choose to skip this queue number. The red button is the skip button. Choose the reason to skip the queue. Then your customers will be notified of the skipping. The skip number will be moved to the skip list. The skip list serves to recall those customers who are late so that they won't need to queue again. When the customers finally arrive, click Dine In to complete the queue. Fill in your customer's body temperature and click Submit. Kewdoo merchant apps are full of other features. For instance, you can configure the type of queue. Also, you can choose different settings and choose the amenities that applies. You can use Kewdoo merchant app to check the queue history of your shops or download them to your devices. And that's all for the tutorial of using Kewdoo merchant app to manage your shop's queue. Thank you for watching.